Okay, they kept the market for 4 hours sideways. Expect it to be happening the same thing on next few sessions also, not only today. Look at this one. This option they brought from 60 rupees time value to almost to 0. Now it has got only almost few points intrinsic value. So if you look at this one, this is where it is just like rotating. That is Reliance. Okay. So both are side like at this location, at this zone time call side only, it is more than the put. So now there is some pressure on Reliance as well as on Nifty also. Okay. Even there is some pressure on Bank Nifty also right now. It is coming out of a zone. Correct. It's coming out of the zone right now. specifically Nifty, everybody, there is more pressure if you look at.
Correct? Because it is right now below that 150. Correct? So this did not breach the day high.
Spent its time, it spent its time. It did not breach at all. Okay. So what they did here, they
Took it down till 384. Correct? Okay, they missed this point. Okay, fine. Reliance is also going down at all important level. Look at specifically Bank Nifty, like these people, like I don't know how um, they're managing their positions, like 51,400, like they're absolutely like very serious. They're just selling it. They're just selling it. From almost there, this one it went to 30 rupees right now.
okay.
Correct. So this is what they are doing. Like
Hello?
look at Bank Nifty again. This option went till just in minutes it went down, but again.
Very good to chat. Okay.
Now this started to rotate.
Very good to chat. What a clam.
So can they take it above the day high right now? Is it possible in just 50 points? They are not even moving it by 60 points. So what they did right now till now, like this was the level they were trying to break. There is some quick move happening right now on Bank Nifty. Everybody look into that. So I'll be ready with this option as well, 51,000 call option also, because if these people start to cover their positions, right, that will lift the market up by a big way. Okay, so let us. Nope, they're saying we don't, Vishal, we don't take it up. So very important one, they are not breaking anything, correct? Either up or down, they are not doing anything at all. Nifty, what they did was took it below this level 150, and now I have given bounce of some few points. Look at that. Everybody, if we thought like, okay, that is a breakdown candle, let me buy some put option, then what would have happened? Like from 300, sorry, 420, that had gone down till 390 days. That high of that red bar is broken. Can you see? They did not care about it. Like they just took it down. Like high of that candle is absolutely broken. Okay. So here if you look at it, let's look at Bank Nifty components. They're all doing it through HDFC Bank. Can you see? We got the similar move, similar candle, right? And okay, this is where it went on till the day low, but it missed it by how many points? 2 points only. Not even 2 points, 1 point. It is there only. Axis recovered bit. Kotak Bank is the one which is keeping the market on the neckline. Okay. So right now it is just like a tug of war happening between these players here. Like, who are these players? The Reliance, correct, and the banking stocks. Like, not between those two things, but both are going in the similar direction. Like, give some down move and immediately reverse. Just refresh this screen. Okay, it is not getting updated. So Kotak Bank, how many if you can see, it is right now trading above the day high. So one bank is absolutely trading at the day high, plus HDFC Bank that is also in positive. So not a great sign for those players. So there is another attempt by these buyers. Okay, but problem with today's sellers and buyers is they don't have any power to take the market up or stay down there. Like, so again this is getting rejection from this particular level. One time, correct, and right now this is like second time. this line is acting as resistance, right? This particular low. Let's see, will that get a quick rejection here? Even Reliance is also at resistance, and Bank Nifty somehow so both have got rejection from the same level. Can you see here, everybody? Bank Nifty, sorry, Nifty plus Reliance. Look at that, like both are in absolute in sync with each other. But this body is not doing anything. Now this has almost come down to the fair value, intrinsic value, right? So it was minus 12, now it is minus 20. Okay. Good. How about Nifty? Nifty also, like, it is slowly increasing, 1.5 crores.
Baby ma. Only baby ma. Only kutti baby ma. Patti baby ma.
சாப்பிடுங்க
என்னது எனக்கு
இன்னும் சாப்பிடுங்க
சாதமா
பின்ன கொள்ளு ரசம்லாம் வந்துச்சு இல்லையா கருவாட்டு குழம்புலாம் சொல்றீங்க எந்த ஓட்டுறேன்னு சொல்கிறேன் அப்புறமா இதெல்லாம் வாங்குறேன் சொல்லுங்க.
அவன் சாப்பிட்டானா இல்லையா கருவாட்டு குழம்பு? சாப்பிட்டானா? என்ன சொன்ன? ஓகேவா? ம்,
ஒன்றும் சொல்ல
ஓகே இல்லையாம்மா?
எதுவுமே கேட்கலையே.
ஏன்?
ஐயோ சுதாகர் வீட்டுக்காப்பா போறீங்கப்பா?
போகணும். எப்பயான்னு தெரியல. ஏன்னா நாளைக்கா?
இன்னைக்கே போயிட்டு வந்துருங்க, அவன் இருக்கிறான், நாளைக்குலாம் அவன் இருக்க மாட்டான்.
அதாம்மா, இன்னைக்கு தான் போகணும்.
ஆ
இன்னைக்கு தான் போகணும்.
எப்படியும் செய்வோம். காரியம் அது மாதிரிலாம் இது இல்லையா?
அடுத்த அடுத்த வாரம்
வச்சிருக்காங்க இதாக இல்லையா?
சார் வீட்டில்
எவ்வளோ பண்ணுறீங்க?
ம்?
650
எவ்வளோலாம் இல்லை.
யோசனை எதுவுமே
எவ்வளோ பாருங்க. ஓகேவா? ம், இல்லையா? டோலோ பார்சல் அதா?
எவ்வளோ 650 தான்
அதுதான் சொல்கிறேன். இல்லை அவனை வாயில் சொல்லிட்டியா போயிட்டு?
அதெல்லாம் ஒன்றும் தேவை.
அவன் ஊருக்கு போயிட்டானா அது கூட முடியாதுல்ல.
So look at this one, everybody bank nifty went up, but the open interest on the call side is huge than the put side. Okay. So this is where like again it is coming back to this level here, right? 450. If that is getting broken and any reversal, I will plan for a small trade with 750 quantity. Okay. Let's see. So this option is what I am just observing. Again the same one, 51,800 only. Okay. So still like it's absolutely zero. Like 230. Let us see, can they give some more right now? Okay. Because they are again taking it back to the levels here. Specifically this one, they are trying to take it, but it is unable to sustain. Plus, what I can see here, HDFC Bank, though it has got recovery here, but almost at 1639. I see HDFC Bank getting some recovery, but not the big one. Just about 5 points. Whereas it is also right now. Look at this one. This is all about axis, right? And this is all about Kotak is rotating at the higher levels here. Okay. So let's see right now the bank nifty like all important level. So will that be getting any move there? If yes, then it has to be the time like from here it should few points, at least some 15 points. So it went all the way till 300 and okay, so look at that one everybody, it went till 367 and without anything happening on the market set. So have they brought it almost to, let's say, no, it still has got something. But one thing like this Reliance is getting rejection from continuously 3025, which is adding pressure on Nifty, correct? Plus Bank Nifty futures is unable to go beyond some certain levels there. Okay. So that is also unable to go beyond some certain levels. Like I'm talking about these levels here. 680, 690, though it is very close here, like generally Bank Nifty does not react like this, like any level it will just go and hunt and at least come down. But today the scenario is not like that, like it's completely different. It has completely changed over the course of last 7 days there, or 10 days is what you can say, correct? Now let's see, like again it is going back to these 670 levels. Now what I want, if this option, right, like this particular option, whatever I'm thinking, 51,800 put option, if that is going and disturbing this low, right, then chances of reversal from there is very much possible. Like let's see. So right now bank nifty is trading at these locations here, right, 51,400 and 30,440 levels. If you look at the option, this is at 370. How many, if you can see here, it did not do anything, like it is just rotated in that range. Now this level got broken there, correct? Now this is also attempting, that's also attempting, I mean to say bank nifty futures also attempting, but nothing is happening there. Okay, let's see. So this is going in positive. Is that going to be getting short covering rally? Let's see. Even these players are right now more than put option sellers. Let's see what they can do. Is that giving a hint? Okay, Mr. Vishal, I'm going to break the day high right now. Is that the hint? Now how many of you can see right now, you got a move till 350 here. What did we discuss here, ladies and gentlemen, at 11:30, 12 o'clock? We discussed absolutely one thing. Even if I'm keeping stop loss at 350, they will all hunt my stop loss, correct? Now again bank nifty at day's high, can you see it broke the day high again there? Okay, now this one is the culprit. I don't know what it is doing there. It is not getting anything. Okay, so look at it, it goes up till 675 and again coming down, it goes up till that level and again coming down. But this is really important. How about the entire players here? How about all the strike price? But that is still at the same level.
ராயப்பட்டால இருக்கு.
Okay, nothing much.
ஆமாம், அவங்க வந்து தெலுங்கு பீப்புள், ரெட்டி அவங்க. அவங்க அம்மா வந்து இப்போது லாஸ்ட்டு சாட்டர்டே இறந்துட்டாங்க. போன சாட்டர்டே. அவங்க ஏஜ் 85 years.
So what happened, ladies and gentlemen, without taking the bank nifty up by a big way, they just took the lows of 51,800 and how about 51? This is there still. How about
September 12th.
sorry, not 2050, 2000, no, 51,800. What they did, like they took the market till that particular level and closed that, correct? The lows, today's open low, whatever it got created. And even Nifty is also getting some reversals. Can you see it is again at the day's high?
தெலுங்கா இருக்கிறதுனால அவங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப விஷயம் தெரியாதாங்க.
So how about these players? Is there any big shift that has happened?
போயிட்டாங்க.
No, that has not happened, but it is increasing.
ஏற்கனவே பேசியிருக்கேன்.
Okay, this is on bank Nifty.
மாதம் அப்போல்லாம் நம்ம டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கோம்.
And how about Nifty?
அப்போ இப்போ
Nifty,
கேட்டாங்க அவங்க.
it is 1.5 only.
இவ்வளோ தூரம் வருவாரான்னு இல்லை, டிஸ்டன்ஸ் விஷயம் கிடையாது. கண்டிப்பாக
Very interesting. Okay, next 30 minutes. Like, but whatever the trade that I'm going to be taking, ladies and gentlemen, it will be just of anywhere in between 1 to 5 minutes trade, entry and exit, like that kind of a trade there. Okay, and to get those execution perfect, I'm using this one-click software. Okay. Let's see this one. And how about 51,500 people? Anything there? Clear all 51,500. What are you up to? They are very strong. 51,500 is,
எத்தனை
absolutely
மணிக்கு பண்ணணும்
strong, no doubt
பண்ணுறதால
at
எத்தனை
all.
மணிக்கு அவங்க இது பண்ணணும்
Right?
அந்த டைம் பார்த்து தான் நீங்கள் சொல்லணும் இறந்த டைம்
It's only about the bank Nifty 51,400. Those people got
தனிதான்.
scared there, right?
ம் அப்போ காலையில் கூட பண்ணிடலாமா
But that does not mean that okay we will go up by a big way, but there is not such
ஆனால் இவங்க அங்கே போய்
evidence
பண்ணுறது
that
இல்லைன்னு
is
சொல்லுவாங்க
levels.
வீட்டில் மட்டும் தான் பண்ணணும்
Correct.
ஏன்னா இவங்க இது பண்ணாங்க புதைச்சாங்க அவங்க இது பண்ணலை அதனால கொலக்கரையில் போய் பண்ணுறது
About Reliance, even Reliance also,
சொன்னாங்க
yeah, that is also recovering. But one thing the bank Nifty that does not have it in its in favor is all about
ம்
the futures are not moving in its favor,
குளிங்க
as
ஒம்பது
simple as
பத்தரையா
it is. Okay, look into this one. It went up till that level and getting rejection.
ஒன்று பத்தரைக்கு மேலே ஆரம்பிக்கணும் ரொம்ப முன்னாடி ரொம்ப சீக்கிரம்
It is going up and getting rejected. It is going up and getting rejected there. And look at this one. This almost went till day high and broke the day high, but did not do anything there.
ம்
Okay.
சரி சரி ம்
So almost 4 times they took the market till that level and broken. Like this is where they have just like
சரி நீங்கள் அப்போ பேசிடுங்க ஆனால் நீங்கள் வந்தீங்கன்னா கொஞ்சம்
removed some weak hand traders out of the
நான்
system. Like
நினைச்சேன்.
let us see. And I am ready with even the call side also.
ம்
This particular one.
ம்
Okay, so there is one more attempt. Like what I'm thinking, okay, if somebody is pushing here, why they are unable to get a move by a big way? Just like efforts versus results. You are trying to take market up. You have some efforts
கேட்டு
there,
சொல்லுங்கள் ஓகே
but no, the market is not giving you any move in your favor. That means you will be like you will be under some pressure. Okay, enough is enough, let's come out of it. Like that, those things will be happening, right? Now look at this one. This went till 675, this went till 650, again back to 665. So if you look at market structure of yesterday and today, yesterday we got some short covering rally by this time, but today it is not the same. Today it is completely a different ball game there. Okay. Look at it, like they are not doing anything, like specifically like even on Kotak Bank also and Axis SBI is trying to drag again. ICICI took it up at a few points, not by a big way. Okay, so multiple times, how many if you can see, like it is going up, but at the same time it is not sustaining at those levels. Correct? And from 150 to 160 to 168, even on Nifty also that has not changed much. And cumulative delta also negative today, minus 57,000.
Okay. அப்படியா லேட் ஆகிடும். 5 மணிக்கு நீ வந்து இல்லை, எனக்கு ஈவினிங் டைம் தான் ஒர்க்கு பீக் ஆகிடும். 3-4 மணிக்குள்ளே இல்லை ஒரு 5குள்ளே வீட்டுக்கு வந்துட்டால் கூட பரவாயில்ல. இது மதியானம் 2:30 தான் ஒர்க்கு ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகும். நைட் வரைக்கும் 11:30 வரைக்கும். யூஎஸ் கிளைண்ட்டு, அதனால ஈவினிங் வேலை தான் கொஞ்சம் பிஸியாக இருக்கும். 5 மணிக்கு அங்கே இருப்பியா எப்படி? சரி, நான் ஒரு தடவை ஃப்ரெண்டுக்கிட்ட பேசிட்டு நான் ஃபாலோ பண்ணிக்கிறேன். பேசி சொல்கிறேன்.
So entire day like they kept complete sideways here, not did anything specifically futures, bank nifty futures. But not of use here, like this option, look into this one, like 51,800. Right now this has got absolutely the time value, both on call and as well as put, because we got only 30 minutes of time there, correct? So one thing I should not be making mistake if I am taking any trade, right? I should not be keeping it MIS order. It should be normal only, because at 310 trades will get auto squared off. So those things I need to be keeping in my mind if I want to take a trade here. If not, no, perfectly fine. And even Nifty is also almost at day's high, 182. But in that case, that tool also that would have again lost some premium there. Can you see? This is 10 points away, correct? But lost the premium of around 20 points there, huge one, right? Look at this one, like again that had absolutely come down there. This had come down almost again 670 to 635, 639, correct? That was done by only one candle on HDFC Bank plus ICICI Bank, SBI, Axis, and even Kotak also. Okay, Kotak right now getting something to the down, right? Let's see what it does. It will go down. Few more points, I think it's going to go down there. Okay. Look at this one, like this is where I'm expecting Bank Nifty. Till 600 levels. Okay. And you can expect that is futures. Okay. In that case, spot will go down till let's say around 370 levels. If that is going down, I will just plan for a quick trade there. Okay, everybody. If that is going to go down, I will plan for a quick trade there. Okay, just trying small one, but it will be like very quick one. Let's see, can I get that? Small one, small one, small one. I'm just going for some small trade, thinking that it will go and hit 370. Another 2 points, 3 points. Can it go down 600? Yeah, one trade 370. This one exactly 600 there. Okay, let's see, will I be getting that? Let's see. This almost went till there. So this is where I'm expecting this to go down till and I'm expecting that option to go down. Okay, so I've gone into that trade, done. One trade, a small one finally. Okay, got into that and 400. So exited, like got at 411, exited at 428. So that 13,000 is what I did there. Okay. So if you look at these things, entered slowly but good one. So anyhow, finally wait of 4 hours. If you look at trade, right, like that is very like, look at this one, 1 minute trade only, just about 1 minute. Okay, so entered at 411 and exited at 428. One small trade. Okay, so what I was expecting that futures to go and hit this particular level, 600 level here. Okay, plus this one at 370. This went almost till 373. Okay, so the reason to go for that trade 3 p.m. because of the high open interest that we got from the day open there, like at 51,400. Okay, so even if you look at this one, right, it went in the positive side, but I'm not in favor of these players because they slowly built it today. For example, here if you look at this thing, right, it was at 1 crore, it was at 29 lakhs, 70 lakhs was the difference. But here it is all about they built aggressively, call side, put side they slowly built it, correct? So that means I have to give importance to these aggressive players who built the open interest there. So that was the thing, like of course my entry would have been better, but what I was waiting was all about whether this 400 will be getting broken or not. I mean to say this particular level, Okay, so that got broken, and based on that I just gone for a trade, but of course entry was absolutely late. But market structure is like that. So logically, like whatever the data I was discussing here, like short covering, I mean to say buying call options, I would have absolutely gone for that, but not now, because this was unable to breach the day high, and they are again bringing it down only. Correct. Now everybody, I will just show you something here. Right now futures is almost at this particular level 600 and 611, but spot, if you look at, right, look at the spot, that has bounced almost some 30 points there. So this premium will not be in sync, meaning, for example, where did I book this one? Where is that? Somewhere around 428, correct? Now that will not be trading at those levels. The reason is this has recovered around 20-30 points there. Okay, very important one. So look at this one, everybody. Like for example, as I said, like the trade will not be the big thing, like just 1 minute trade there, 411 to, like, sorry, I mean to say 411 to 428, 255 29 seconds and 257 17 seconds there, right? So that's the one trade which I took today. But for that 1 minute trade, right, it is just like Usain Bolt. Usain Bolt has made million dollars just by running 100-meter marathon and 200-meter marathons in just about anything less than 10 seconds. Correct? But for that he has practiced for 20 years, and the same thing has happened today as well, and yesterday also almost. So waiting till morning 9, and that money had come in just about 90 seconds. For that 90 seconds, I have to wait for how many minutes? 9 to 3, it is all about 6 hours, 180 minutes. Not 6 hours, right? Almost 360 minutes, right? So when you have a plan, right, so of course here itself I would have taken the trade, but for me this was very important. What is that? This futures, this is where it was again going at these levels, right? That I wanted it like to show some, okay, I'm just going to go down. Then when it literally started to break these levels, right, that was the time for me, okay, fine, that's the sweet spot. For example, if you look at 257, right, where is my trade book? Sorry, 255, right? So if you look at that one, can you see here, this is where it was getting broken, exactly at that particular level. Okay, 255. So those levels, I mean to say, it got a move there, perfectly fine, but from a very important level it got rejections. Now again, like one important question I got was, will you looking for a small target? I said without any doubt. I think it was asked by Sridhar sir. Like I said, like entire 2024 will be like that only, and specifically next 20 days, sir. Okay. For example, I will just show you something, sir. Like look into this one. This is where I exited at 428, right? Now, 1 minute, sir. Like 51,800. Now look at this one, sir. This is almost at the same level, but this is not there. So what happens specifically on expiry days? They will absolutely, like, that's what I said for it's iron, right? Like he was asking a question, now why the market can go sideways for 20s, and then why it will give upward notice to create liquidity, nothing else. right? So this is the reason, like, why I booked only. For example, if I would not have booked the trade here, now think about, instead of plus 13,000, then this should have been like minus 9,000 right now, around that, correct? Or minus how much? 5,000, correct? So here, like, buyers, they don't have any power. Definitely, though, they don't have any power today. Okay, let's see. And Nifty had a new high for the day, correct? So how about these players here? 25,000. So that is the one trade which I took. And I will show you something on Nifty also. Nifty is trading at day high, today's high, but option it did not. Look at this one. Even for right now, like for example, let us say if I would not have booked the profits on that right now, this would have been, like, for example, this will go down to that 428. If the market is going to go down till 350, those levels, correct? Plus look at this one, everybody, like I'll just show you on the screen here. 51,800 option, it went till almost 438 there, correct? But by looking at that, if I was thinking, okay, I'll be getting some more money and let me keep on holding it, I'll just play you some, if possible. This is what I wanted to watch. Let me see whether it is available here or not. It is saved. Today, I don't know, somehow like I came across this one. Let me see, did I save that? The moment I opened my mobile today, this was the video like which I got come across. Everybody look into this one. I will just play it on my mobile. Okay, I'll share my screen, mobile screen. Look into this one. Okay, hello. Just look into this one.
I shouldn't be doing that.
Watch from here, okay? So they got some news, like there is change in form payrolls or something. Now, like she took some positions, okay? She took some trade and it was going in minus 25,000 losses. Dollars, okay, not in rupees. Okay, don't look at those words that they are popping on the screen, because it will be very bad words. Everybody look into this one. This is an example. Now can you see she got some profits there, right? Look into this one. 15,000. Okay, now again she is taking some more positions. Now she is in profits of $35,000. Okay. Now what happens at the end of that clip? Look at that, $20, minus 20, minus 20. Again she is taking some more position, revenge trades. Yesterday I discussed I will not take revenge trades. Now look at that, minus $1,60,000 losses. And she is again taking, she is fighting with the market. And somebody is asking, all good? What he said there? What she said? Smiled. So here look at this caption, okay, like greed is the enemy in stock market. Correct? So similarly, like whether you accept it or not, but don't accept it after losing some big money. That's the one thing. Okay. Now look at this one, everybody. Now this has went till 343 here. How about this option? How about this option? It is just going at 425. Market had gone down only, right? It's going down, and even futures, right? but it is not breaking that 436 mark because of that one thing. Okay, so these lessons is what I want you to learn. Taking trade, anybody, for example, anybody can take the trade in the entire world. Everybody has got the ability to hit on the buy button, select quantity, and buy it. But when to take, when not to take, when to book profits. So please understand this one. Like for example, I'll just open Google here, everybody. If you don't implement it right, you will implement it after losing money. So I don't want you to do that mistake. For example, SBI market cap. Everybody, let's type it. Okay, let's find it. What is the market cap of SBI? Okay. Can you see here? SBI's market cap is 7 lakh crores. Everybody, it is 7 trillion rupees. That means 7 lakh crores. Okay. Now my question is, but just by having some 7 lakh rupees in trading account, if I am fighting with SBI, who is going to be winning? It's me or SBI? Absolutely SBI only, correct? And one more thing, SBI market cap, okay, let us say even if example, okay, it will not happen anywhere, anytime. Don't you think SBI has got all the power to sell all the stakes to somebody and collect all that money and put it in trading options, so that they can invest today 7 lakhs morning and options will get doubled? Don't you think in one day only they will make 14 lakhs crores? One day only they can make at least 1 lakh crore only, they can make it one day only, right? For example, let us say some of the traders in social media talk about okay, for example, I will take this one, this stock, everywhere manipulations. This company has got 3 lakhs crore market cap. Let us say it sells all its assets, it gets some funds. Don't you think it can put in options buying and make double up money every week? Why can't these people? They do, because any business you take in India or anywhere outside India also, if you are making 25% per annum, right, you are one of the best in the entire world. I repeat it again, you are one of the best in the entire world. Forget about Adani, like let's look into the big, not big bull. Look at this company here. Can you see? It is 1 minute. Sorry, not Ambani Enterprises, Finance, right? What is the market cap, everybody? 20 lakhs crores, beyond your imagination. What if they sell all their companies and get some money and put 10 lakhs crores in stock market? Don't you think they can lift the market here and there? But why are not they doing? Because what they believe in, even if they are making good amount of 25% year on year, that is where you will be getting successful. But if you think, okay Vishal, every day I will put money and make, that's not going to be happening, sir. If you accept it today fact, and I'm not suggesting like, okay, follow me, like take the trades the way I take it, but be happy for small things. So, for example, yesterday I did around 5, today I did around 13, total how much? 18. If I'm not happy for this one, right, then when trending market starts, right, I will not be getting those 30,000 a day, 40,000 a day, all those things. Because these things is what I need to be having in my mind, Vishal. Okay, even if you make 5,000 today, you are one of the best. Fine. Maybe money is slow, but I'm not losing it. For example, yesterday's trade also, I will tell you what happened. I took the trade, Zoom got disconnected. I have to create those sessions. In that, from my entry, it went about 7-8 points, which I was looking for. But it's okay. Then what I did again, okay, this is what I'm going to do, minus 19, then go on there. So whether you accept it or not, accept it right now only. Look for like only small trades, like for the next few days, at least till the 3rd week of September. If not, right, then you will be learning lessons from the market only. Either you learn from right now only, or you learn after 20 days after losing money. What do you want to do? That's very important. Okay. So hope the time that you spent here, like, got that one trade, only one trade today. For example, like 1 minute, just bring it on my screen here. Okay, so that's the only trade which I took today. One. Hope you can see this. Okay, 13,000 and 13,000. That's the only trade. Apart from that, like, no, nothing at all. Okay. So again, this recording is in 4 parts and we'll be getting it. Thank you and have a great day, everybody. Okay.